Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be assembling my KitchenAid juicer and showing you guys how I do that, and then also taking all the clementines that I have because I have way too many and they're going to go bad, so I'm going to juice them and make ice pops. So they are in the freezer now, as you just saw. I had to juice 17, actually 16, because I had 17 but one of them was bad. So I cut 16 in half, juiced them. That gave me a cup and a half of juice, which made 5 ice pops, and the ice pop tray that I have holds 6, so I only got 5 out of it. But I made these ones before with oranges and they were really good, just like a nice treat. Super easy because it's literally just juice. So I'm really excited for these to freeze up and hopefully I can have one later tonight. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.